Hello, my name is Gary Waite from WhiteKnights Estate Agents, and I am going to give you a tour of the property in front of you, which is number 25 Cartmel Drive. So firstly, it's a 3-bedroom semi-detached house. It has had a lot of improvements done inside, which I'll try and point out to you as we walk through the house. So initially, you can see the driveway. The front garden has been turned into additional parking with an extra wide entrance, as you can just about see there. Just going to give you an idea of the road. First of all, Cartmel Drive, we're in Southlake. We're very close to the Southlake Junior School, which, as I'm sure many of you will know, is a very popular school. In the direction there, that will take you towards Southlake itself, with a couple of local shops. I'm just going to turn around and just give you an idea of what's at the other end of the road, and that's the remainder of Cartmel Drive there. So let's just focus on the house itself now. So the driveway, as you can see, goes through wrought iron gates at the side to the rear garden. So this provides good parking. We've got an outside water tap just down there on the left hand side. So now into the house itself. The entrance hall has been extended, so this initial area is an extension as we walk through. So it does mean that the hallway is a much better size. Let me just step forward and turn around and I'll just give you an idea. So if I just turn around here, there's the front door, coat hanging space there as you can see, radiator on the right hand side there. And on the left hand side, just going to open this cupboard door because here we have the gas-fired boiler. And as you can probably see, flooring, nicely finished, actually a tiled floor. And I'm just going to turn around again, just to point out the stairs and another radiator on the right hand side there. So first of all, the lounge, sort of lounge dining room. As you can see, dining area at the end with the patio doors there leading onto a lean-to conservatory. Decoration on this property is very well done, mainly white emulsioned walls, so it's quite neutral but really finished to a good standard. There's the front window there, double glazed sealed unit windows. There's a focal point there with the chimney breast. Again, nice flooring. And then as you walk along here into the dining area, another radiator on the left, and this then opens into the kitchen here. Just point out on the left hand side here, this is a big larder cupboard, then we've got a built-in oven. There's the sink unit there. Base units spinning round, another appliance space, and 4-ringed gas hob just there. Little side aspect window, eye level cupboard, and then we've got the window looking straight down the garden. So just spinning round fully back into the dining area here, and I'll just show you the lean-to conservatory because this is also used as a utility. You can see on the right hand side here, that's there is actually plumbing for the washing machine, tumble dryer space, fridge freezer space, double doors opening to the garden. Good for storage and useful little utility area as well. I'll show you the garden actually at the end of this tour. Let's just show you another angle of the lounge here. The doors, internal doors have been replaced as well, as you can see, the white multi-panel doors there. Let's now make our way upstairs. So we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, and it's actually a shower room toilet. So that's the first one on the right hand side here, just to show you on the landing first of all. 3 bedrooms, and I'm going to point upwards because we've got access to a loft space with a fitted loft ladder and boarding as well, so good for storage. Let's just focus on the bathroom here first of all. So, as I said, it's actually a shower room rather than a bathroom. So there's the shower cubicle on the right hand side. The wash basin on the left here in the corner with a vanity cupboard under, and the WC just tucked in the corner there. Got a rear aspect frosted window, fully tiled. You may notice also with this house, I'll just point upwards, we have these downlighters pretty much throughout. So very modern style. Nice flooring as well. Okay, I'm just going to reverse up and go left here. This is the main bedroom. So it's a rear aspect. Again, double glazed sealed unit window, of course. Now, space for wardrobes along this wall here. The current owners, they actually use one of the other rooms as a dressing room, so whilst there is space for wardrobes, they don't actually have wardrobes in this room. Let's show you the second bedroom, which is at the front. That's this one here. Slightly different, as you can see, there's a little settee there. This has had fitted wardrobes. They're two very good sized doubles. The front aspect window, of course. And then last but not least, to my left here, this is bedroom 3. Slightly bigger than you might think, because as I step in and spin round, you'll notice we have a recess here where there actually is then a built-in wardrobe. I've left the door open just to give you an idea. It's actually quite a deep, well, it's used as a cupboard, but I mean, it could easily be used as a wardrobe, but it's very deep. So the third bedroom does actually have that built-in double there, which just negates the need for putting in further wardrobes if this is used as a single bedroom for a child maybe. So let me just spin around again and just give you another view of the landing. So that's the 3 bedrooms and the shower and toilet upstairs. Let's now make our way down and I'll show you the rear garden. So as you can probably tell, this house has had a lot of improvements done over recent years, really finished to a lovely standard. And good location, Cartmel Drive, very quiet road. But like I said earlier, very close to amenities, including the lake itself with the woodland. It's about a mile walk around the lake, so rather pleasant. So let's focus on the garden. So the garden is actually been created to a low maintenance design, as you can see with the stone areas. There's another patio at the end there, beside quite a big shed actually, very big shed. Let's just wander down and I'll show you the shed. More of a workshop shed, I would say. But the interesting thing is, as I spin round, you'll notice here at the side of the house, now there is a fence panel there, easily removed, and of course that then opens up the drive. Let's just walk through it and I'll show you through the wrought iron gates. That takes you off to the front. So like I said, without this panel here, it actually opens the drive up into the rear garden. Okay, so I'm just going to wander down the garden, turn around and just point at the back of the house for you. There you go, there's this raised patio area. And that's the rear of the house. You can see the lean-to conservatory there. It does actually have a fixed roof rather than a normal conservatory roof. So the gutters, soffits, barge boards, all been replaced with UPVC. As I said, the windows have all been replaced. Central heating system with a fairly new boiler, new kitchen, new new shower and toilet. So all in all, a very, very smart house. So that just brings me to the end of the tour, and look forward to hearing from anybody that would like to take a look inside. Thanks for watching.